Last time, we showcased the features of the Towable boom lift. This time, I'll walk you through how to use it. Hopefully, friends who are interested in this equipment will enjoy it. Currently, we are operating the equipment with the remote control, and the functions of the buttons are intuitive and easy to understand. This is the last control button, and next, we'll proceed with operating the equipment directly. These 5 handles correspond to the 5 buttons on the remote control, but the button order is different. However, the start button must be held down every time during operation. Pushing upward rotates it to the right, while pushing downward rotates it to the left. These are the steps to lower the wheels to the ground. These are the steps to retract the wheels. The safety device must be engaged during operation. This activates the collision brake. When the towing head stops, it retracts inward, and the wheels are then braked automatically. After the equipment has come to a complete stop, push the brake upward into the locking slot to secure it in place. This effectively prevents unintended movement of the equipment. When the equipment is in towing mode, release the handbrake.